how do I improve my communication skills? Yeah. What I would do is if it's a language issue and you're trying to learn another language, how to communicate in that language, what I recommend doing is watching television shows in that language and turn on closed captions as well. That will help you communicating. Another thing you can do if you want help in terms of how to communicate better is go to YouTube and do searches on some of the best public speakers in history, like Martin Luther King. Or what you can do is watch Barack Obama presentations, because I think he is the number one presenter on the planet today. And the way he presents is amazing. He pauses when he should. He also uses his hands a lot as well. And he used teleprompters the right way. Like you watch him, you'll see him looking this way and this way for teleprompters, unlike Trump, who uses prompters the wrong way by going. So this is not a political discussion at all. But the bottom line is this: go and watch some of the best presenters in history and learn from them. And then you got to practice that as well. And so what I recommend doing is joining a public speaking consortium. You can do them online. It's called Toastmasters. And so what you can do is this. I'll show you. You go to a website called meetup.com, okay? And you enter in your city right here, whatever it is. And then you just enter in Toastmasters. Toastmasters. I guess it's called that because it toasts. Yeah. And then what you can do is, this is just Brooklyn example. This is a women's Toastmaster group. Chesterfield, which is I think a town or whatever, Toastmasters group. And what you can do, this is an online event here, and you can practice presenting. It's free. You got to practice because, as Tony Robbins said, repetition is the mother of all skill.